On line 1, we define a variable global var and initialize it to 10. This is our global variables, meaning it can be accessed from anywhere in our script. Global var equal 10. Next, we have function 1. Inside function 1, notice the global var statement. This still Python that we instead to modify the global var, not create a new local one. Then, we add 5 to global var. Diff function 1, global var plus equal 5. Then comes function 2. Again, global var is used to ensure we're referring to the global variables. This function returns global var multiplied by 2. Diff function 2, global var, returns global var 2. Similarly, function 3 also uses global var and returns global var raised to the power of 2. If function 3, global var, returns global var 2. Now let's trace the execution step by step. Initially, global var is 10. 1 line 15. Function 1 is called inside function 1. Global var becomes 10 plus 5. So global var is now 15. On line 16, function 2 is called and its return value is assigned to result 1. Inside function 2 is accesses the current global var which is 15. It's calculate 15 to which is 30. So result 1 will be 30. On line 17, function 3 is called and its return value is assigned to result 2. Inside function 3, it's also access the current global var which is still 15. Function 2 doesn't change it. It's calculate 15 to 15, which is 225. So result 2 will be 225. Finally, on line 18, we print result 1 and result 2. Therefore, the output of this script will be plain text 30, 225.